Hello financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to Financial Whiteboard World, your go-to destination for unraveling the mysteries of finance. Today, we're embarking on in-depth exploration into the world of credit cards, mastering credit cards, tip for responsible credit use, the credit card palette. Imagine your credit card journey as an artistic palette, and today we're adding vibrant color to it. We'll sketch out the fundamental concepts that make up the credit card landscape, brushstrokes of credit limits. Let's start with credit limits. The canvas of your financial plate. Understanding your credit limit is crucial. But what happens if you exceed it? We'll explore solutions to manage and negotiate your credit limit effectively, ensuring it aligns with your financial goals. Interest rate mosaic. Now, let's delve into the interest rate mosaic. Each tile representing the cost of borrowing will not only explore how interest rates work, but also provide actionable strategies to negotiate for lower rates, helping you save money and avoid unnecessary financial burdens. Payment palette. Your payment palette is a spectrum of choice, much like a vast array of colors. Will illustrate the importance of timely payment and how they add vibrant hues to your credit history. Late payments. Let's sketch out a step-by-step guide to correct those mismatches and keep your financial canvases pristine. Rewards garden. Credit cards rewards are like flowers in a garden, each one representing an opportunity. We'll delve deeper into the type of rewards available and provide creative way to maximize them. From cashback to travel rewards, learn how to cultivate your rewards garden strategically. Expanding the canvas. Let's expand the canvas and delve into the masterpiece of credit score madness. We'll sketch the intricacies of how respond credit cards use contributes to a vibrant and flourishing credit score garden. Your financial masterpiece begins with a strong credit foundation. Pathway to financial freedom. Your credit card journey is a pathway to financial freedom. We'll map out a step to navigate to pathway successfully, avoiding detours that could lead to financial stress and setbacks. Explore solutions to common credit challenge, from managing multiple cards to handling unexpected financial hurdles. As we wrap up our credit card masterpiece, remember, credit cards are tools, mighty tools if used wisely. If you found this credit card insights enlightening, tap that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth financial wisdom. Until our next artistic exploration, this is Financial Whiteboard World signing off. Keep sketching smart financial moves, and I'll catch you in the next session.